Winter had finally come to us. It was harsh, cold, and lots of snow. It was days like these that we needed layers. With my new overalls, hair tied back, jacket, hat, and mitts, I was ready to face the day. I was finally getting to use my snowshoes. They had been a present when I was 12. It took a while to figure out how to get them on. And even longer to figure out how to get up again. But once I got moving, everything fell into place. But 24 hours ago, it hadn't been like this. The sun had been shining. We had been braving minus 30-degree temperatures, seeing these long houses with their tree bark walls. It had been so cold for so long that the ponds had frozen over and skating was on. We made our way through the reeds to join our fellow Torontonians, adventuring out on this glorious sunny day, and to spend the afternoon on the pond, having a ball. The ice was so thick you could see bubbles that had frozen into it, and great big cracks. With the biggest snowstorm in Toronto in decades on its way, I didn't want to waste one moment of this beautiful, clear pond ice. So as the sun set and the moon rose, I got one more skate in. And then it all changed. In a flash, we were absolutely covered in snow. With the cars stuck, it was much better to travel by sled or by foot. The snow had come thick and fast, but we weren't going to let it get us down for long. In the end, we were having a great old time and digging ourselves out. A perfect end to a great snow day.